This is how you're going to connect Notion with Confluence. First, log into both your Notion and Confluence account. Next, you will need a third-party integration tool like Zapier or Unito, since Notion and Confluence don't directly connect. Now, go to zapier.com and then you just have to search integrate Confluence and Notion, and then this page will come up, and then you're going to have to click on integrate for free or start with Google for free. So you can choose either of the two. I'm going to click on start with Google for free, and then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Just click on continue, and then it will automatically lead you to this editor in Zapier where you can set up a workflow where new pages and Notion sync with Confluence or vice versa. So for example, in Zapier, you can select Confluence Cloud as the trigger app and Notion as the action app. Once the workflow is active, your content will sync automatically between the two platform, and that's it. You're just going to have to select an event for the first trigger, and then you're going to select the event for what it will do once this Confluence is triggered. And that's it. That is how you connect Notion with Confluence. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.